Hello everyone. Today let me give you the inputs on operators in PHP, how operators are used and what are the different operators that we have in PHP. So operators, they are used to perform the operations on variables and their values like a plus b, a minus b, so like that. So PHP divides operators into these groups. What are they? Arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, and percentile, modulo operation and exponential operations. And assignment operators like equals to, less than or equals to, okay, not equals to. So assignment operators, comparison operators less than, greater than, and not equals to, increment, decrement, plus, plus, minus, minus, post increment, pre increment, post decrement, pre decrement. Then the logical operators comes under here in this case is like using and, or, logical and, logical or. Suppose if you give two conditions, if you want to make it true, like if you want to compare using logical operators, like and defines when both are same. So when both are true, the output is true, otherwise it is false. So like that we have logical operators, string operators and array operators. So let us see briefly. Coming to arithmetic operators. So these are the arithmetic operators we have: addition, subtraction, multiplication. So these are the operators and these are the names of those operators. This is the example that we use for these operators. Okay. Then results. So you will get like sum, difference, multiplication for this, and division. Here percentile means your remainder, and this star, double star is used for the power. Suppose 2 double star 3, so it gives you the power 2 cube. Okay, these are the arithmetic operators. Similarly, assignment operators, so you can either use equal to the other side, in between the operators, okay, then in between the operands. Then here it is a shorthand type, like x equal to x plus y can also be written as x plus equals to y. So which is very similar to your other programming languages. So in the same way you can use equal to for assignment. Okay, so comparison, so double equals to, triple equals to, then not equals to, not equal, then not identical. So here double equals to and triple equals to, what's the difference? Double equals to, it will just assign, check whether the given values are same or not. Suppose x equal to 2, y equal to 3. If you are giving x double equal to y, then it will just check whether that values of there are same or not. So in this case it is false, right? So it is not true. So if x is equal to 2 and y is also equal to 2, then in that case both are having the same value, then it returns 2, true, right? So but coming to your triple equal to, it is checking the identical. That means it returns true if both the variables is having the same type and the same it's the same type of data. Suppose in this case when x equal to 2, y equal to 3, both are having same variables, right? So in such case it returns true. Suppose x equal to 2 and y is equals to, say, some string hello, then that is of string type and this is of integer type, then it may return false for in the case of triple equal to. Similarly, not equals to, x equal to 2, y equal to 3, they are not equal. In such case it returns true. If it is not equal, it returns true. Same way, not equal to can be written using exclamatory equal to or less than, greater than together. Okay, so not double equal to also checks double, both the cases like type and also value it checks. Okay, so this is something about comparison operators. And less than, greater than, less than, it equal to, greater than or equal to, same like your other programming languages. And pre-increment, post-increment. So you can use this pre-increment like plus plus $x. First, if you want to increment the value, then assign. And if you want to assign the value, then increment, you can use post-increment. Similarly, pre-decrement, post-decrement also. Okay. So logical operators and, or, like this is the representation of your logical and logical or and not. Okay, so these are logical and is if true true, x and y are true, then only it becomes true, otherwise it is false. And logical or if x and y are both false, then only it is false, otherwise it is true. If any one is true, that is true in our case. So XOR is if both are same, it will return 0. If any one is true, I mean if any one, I mean vice versa, then if one is true and the other is false, then it will return true 1. Okay, so these are a few inputs about logical operators. Similarly, string operators we have, one is a concatenation. So this is concatenation. If you use dollar equals to, so we've been concatenating br to the echo, so there we have already used this dot, and we have used a few arithmetic operators also in our previous sessions, so you can go through them. And dot equals to is just the appending the content, the text to the existing text. You can use dot equal to for assignment operator. Okay, concatenating assignment. Similarly, these are the few array operators you have. This is for union, and this is for equality, and this is for type. Same equal to operator, it will work like assignment operator. Then not equal and equal to and not equal to. For arrays also you can use it. Okay, most like a comparison operators only these are. Clear? Now expressions. So when you give x equals to 2, so you are assigning a x is a literal, you are assigning the value 2 to that literal, so it is just an expression. So we have already come across this. So let us see a small example on this. Okay, so here we are assigning the string to our program. So this is one assignment operator we are using. Suppose let me give here dollar x equals to 2. Okay, and dollar y equals to say 3. Okay, now if you want to print the expression, okay, so echo, let me give here dollar x plus dollar y. Okay, then what it returns, let us see. So for execution, you have to go to the PAM server www, then localhost. So here you can give string ex. So you're getting 5, right? So let me give here br. Okay, so if you see here, so you are getting 5. What is this 5? This is using arithmetic operator x plus y. Similarly, you can do it for any arithmetic operator. Okay, then comparison using if statement, if control structures you can compare. Suppose if of dollar say x is less than dollar y. If dollar x is less than dollar y, print echo print say x is less than y. Simple statement. Suppose if you want else statement can also be written. Else you can print echo dollar x is y is greater than x. So like that you can give statements. See now how you'll get the output. So x is less than y, because x is given as 2 and y is given as 3. So we are just printing that. So let me give vr here. Just different. So you're getting this statement like that. The comparison statements can be used like this. Okay. Now if I use here double ampersand. Okay. Now let me check with this. Okay, now it's not printing anything. So what is happening here? This is just a logical operator, logic you are checking, but here $x is equal to 2, $y equal to 3, right? So let us see this logical operator. Okay, you're getting, this is how we have the expressions we use and the operators we use. Okay, and concatenation already dot we have used. So logical operators, you have to check the conditions, then it will return true. Okay, suppose, let me give here true, here true. Okay, echo $x and $y. Let me try. So it is returning 1. So what is 1? 1 is true, right? Because since this is true, this is true. So when you are giving AND operation, it is returning true. Suppose 1, let me make 1 false. Okay. So in this case, what happens? It is returning 1. So x plus y it is giving, since it is 0, so one is true, one is false, so it is returning false. So it is printing, it is not printing anything. So this is about the operators. Thank you all.